Alright everyone, so let's see right now. I'm watching Sith right now also. Just does not want to break 50. Well, it broke, it went to 74 and then it just flushed. So for this one, next 5-minute count to make a new high will be right over 75. Let's watch this one closely. Right now it looks like it might break the view up, so let's be cautious about that. We're only about 3 minutes until the next 5-minute candle. And right now, the leading gappers are actually not looking that interested right now, so we have a pop being our leading gapper. And look at that chart. Well, it's coming out now above view up. Okay, let's see some resistance points. Okay, so we found some right here. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'll keep that one and watch a pop. Look at the perfect 1 minute pullback right here. But I usually don't like trading anything below VWAP. Personally, I really don't like it that much. So now I'm just gonna wait for Sith. Okay, that's the first leading gapper. Let's go over the it gapped up about 62%. So let's go over the third leading gapper, which is gonna be HWCC. Also below VWAP right now. But this one is looking, well, it's consolidating right now. It just broke that support. Okay, I'm also watching Sith. So let's see right now. We're on about a minute. Current high right now 73 on this candle. So let's see what this one's gonna do. I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute candle because this needs to break 1350. But let's see what this right now is below view up. Look at that flush. Now it's the next. We're only about 20 seconds away from the next 5-minute candle. Look at that flush just had right now. Has 1.5 million shares of volume right now. Okay, so second leading gapper is HWCC, gapped up about 37%. Our third leading, but look at the chart right now. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just right now it looks like it might fade off. Not enough volume right now. So now let's keep going down to the third leading gapper, which is gonna be IMMP. It gapped up about 24%. Again, look at the chart. So let's see. Just in case I see it popping in my scanner, so this one will be familiar. But it needs to get above 375 for me to be interested. Okay. Now this one will hit a low 1272. Now it's going lower. So that one now is fading away. So today we gotta be cautious. Today is gonna be more of a momentum scanner. Pick up stock, but let's see at the opening. Now that we get closer to 925, we'll probably see more patterns happening right now on the 5 minutes, so we can see something. The only one I was interested in, it was Sith, but now if it held above VWAP, but now it looked like it faded. So let's see. ENOB, ENOV, Gapped up about 90%, but look the gap. Look the scan. Well, I see the scanner. Okay, I don't have the scanner. Anyways, but look at the chart right now. Well, it gave us some nice moves over here. Look at this move from 85 all the way to 590, almost $1 per share. No, look at that on the 5-minute. That happened right about here. Look at this continuation. But getting in here, getting in here is high risk, right? High risk. Unless you're trying to do a break of 50, 75, you can say. But when you get into this type of trades, you have to get in, get out really fast. You don't want to be caught up in a flush. Because people who probably went long over here, probably in the 94, 93 for the break of 6, they probably got caught up in this flush and like that. It went all the way back to 5. Well, the VWAP right about 5 to 16. Sith I haven't watched right now. That's what I'm watching currently. But let's see if anything else starts popping in the scanners. But let me go to the leading gap or APOP. Now that looks like it was breaking the VWAP. Yeah, the VWAP right there. Okay, let it pull back, let it retest it. Let's see if it's gonna be able to retest this. 575 is the VWAP. So with this one, what was the high over here? 92. Left another 6 if it wants to break it. But I'm not long yet. I don't want to get long over here to extend it. I want to see a pullback next. Well, I'll be looking for the next 1-minute candle. So the current high on this one is about 95. So I'll be watching. 75 is the VWAP. Anything close to the VWAP is actually pretty good, with the exit being right at the VWAP. Let's see what this is going to do now. We're about to have a next 5-minute candle in a minute. So 95. Let's see, this might be a micro pullback right here. Well, 1-minute pullback. We go. Oh, let's see. I'll tell you exactly what I'm seeing or picturing. And then the next candle, it's gonna go up. That could be a pattern right there. So 95 was the previous high, so let's see. We're only about 10 seconds away. Sith also, that one just went low all the way to 1220 right now. Just dip, it faded. Look at that. That's exactly what I was thinking. But I didn't go long. There it is, 6. A, B, C, D. So it hit a high right there of 602, I believe it was. 605. I'm gonna put another 6010 just in case he wants to break. Alright, so let's see right now. Let's not get in it. Let's wait for the setup of the opening. Also, Sith now it's below. It's like what, almost $1 below the VWAP. So for me to be interested in it needs to get above the VWAP for sure. I don't like this shooting star on the 1 minute of APOP. Let it pull back. The VWAP is right at 75, 76. No, but this one now has 11 million shares of volume, so it has more volume. than Sith. Sith only had 1 million shares. Okay, well, we'll watch that. Let me fix a hotkey to still have on the bed. There it is, switched it. Okay, I'm gonna put a pop-up on my main screen now. So that's the one that we're gonna be looking at the opening. But at the same time, we gotta be cautious. Because if you can see on the 5 minute, there's still some nasty flushes, so I'll keep both of them in watch. I'm gonna keep a Sith for the break of $13, $13.07. So I'm gonna leave an order right about $13.15, and I'll be interested. And also a pop, I'll be interested for a nice cap and go for the break of $6. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen right now. So I'll be watching both of them. We only have about 2 minutes left until the market opens. So there's the 5 minute dip. But this one has a pre-market height of 880. So let's be cautious about that right now. As a reminder, guys, day trading is risky. And do yourself a favor, before putting any money into the line, first practice in a simulator. Because day trading is not easy. Now look at APOP right now. So 70, 75, 77, 77 is the VWAP. So let's see right now. We only have almost about a minute left till the market opens. Let's take a look at it. If you guys want to join my private chat, it's almost literally like there's no lag or no delay. It's almost minimum. So you guys, I know YouTube has a delay, so probably you'll miss a couple moves, but when I'm talking in my private chat, there's no delay. So if you guys want to join, feel free. There's a free link in the description. Okay, now that I'm watching this one, okay, let's see. Sith will be really interested if it gets above 1375, so I'll be watching this one. Sith also, if it can get all the way up to 1375, or for the break of 1350, 1375, that will be a good entry. Okay, so now I'm leaving an order at $6.10 for APOP, and then let me actually leave one at 1350 for Sith. We only have about 15 seconds left until the opening. 606, so we want to see APOP break 6 and go up right away up to 606, 610. Okay, let's see right now, but let's not just jump in right now. And this proof right now is below the VWAP. Okay, let's see. I'm long there at 89. I want to see if it's gonna go break $6, and I'm all out. And look at that, just went. I went low on 95, and I sold some on 99. Oh, I thought I went low on 90, so I got slippage over there. Okay, I'm gonna leave an order now, 650. Let's see what this is going to do. The high right now, it was 630. Let it pull back. 75. Back in. 604. So I'm just gonna wait what this is going to do. Only 1,000 shares. Next 1 minute count to make a new high is gonna be over 630. 76 is the VWAP, so that's why I only took a starter, just in case he wants to go lower. Okay, let's see right now. I see 85. I'm still holding my position at 604. Adding a little bit more at 77. Bring down my average to 91. Now let's see. I'm waiting for the pop right now, so. And look at Sith. Also. There it is. So I'm all out of the trade right there. My best exit was a 602. Now let's see. So the previous high was right about 630. So we want to see it hold above $6. I'm long at 603. So I'm selling half, and then I'm waiting, and I'm all out at 17. So let it pull back a little bit more now. Let it pull back so we can look for a setup now for the break of 650. Let it do a pullback, because if it goes to 650, then that's irrational, and it's a pullback to extend it. Let's not get caught up in a flush. The low over there was 609, so I'm not long yet. Okay, let's see. Well, 44 I'll be looking to get in, but and it kind of needs a pullback. Yeah, it's gonna go without me probably, but oh, look at that, it didn't. So I'm gonna take a starter at 35, and look at that. That's exactly, look at that volatility. That's throwing me off a little bit. It said 590 and then 630, and then it was crazy. Okay, so let's see now. So I want to see, because I know 75 is a VWAP, or 93 moved up. So adding right here at 95. Bring my average down a little bit more. Let's see. Right now, I want to see the bounce. It's gonna break below 6 probably. Let's see. I'm waiting for my last ad. There it is. It broke below 6, but it got right above it. This candle is about to close. So 13 is my average. Okay, let's see right now. Selling half into right about 13, 14 it was. Okay, so we have 75, but let's see right now. I'm actually adding over here a little bit more for the break now of $6. On the next 1 minute candle to make a new high, it's going to be right over 614. He has 22 million shares of volume now. It needs to break over 6. There's a seller. It got bought up. Exactly what I was waiting for. So reducing my risk over here. Let's see what this is going to do now. It's all over the place. Okay. So next 1 minute count to make a new high is going to be right over 50. And I'm all out. There it is. Next 1 minute count to make a new high was right over 618. Look at that. Alright guys, those on YouTube, if you guys want to keep up with the stream, yeah, you're more than welcome to join my private chat room. And then in the private chat room, I will be putting up the scanners, so you guys can get to see the momentum scanners. Alright everyone, have a good day on YouTube.